Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. I got a quick video for you on the boot light upgrade. So I got the LED unit here and I'm just going to show you quickly how to replace it, guys. So don't forget, if that's something you're interested in, give us a subscribe and a like, and I'm going to show you quickly how to do it now. Right guys, so here we got just a quick footage of the original one. I'm sure that's what you got as well. So it's that yellowish color. Obviously it's not as bright, so I went for the LED one, obviously the white one, and it's much brighter, as you're going to see in a second. Right guys, so to remove the old unit, all you have to do is use either plastic tool or a tiny screwdriver, flat blade, to get it under the unit there, just behind there, and reach the clip, squeeze it in, and you'll see this part will come out first, and then you just pull it out, and then you got the plug there, you just squeeze them two bits in, and that unplugs. Nice and easy, guys. So if you're just replacing the bulb, you put the new bulb in there and obviously connect it and push it back in. In our case, we updating it to the LED units, as you can see. So just plug it in. Oh, as you can see, there's already much brighter color, nice cool white color. So just push it back in there and job done. Right, the other way of removing it, guys, is getting your finger in there, squeezing the metal clip in and just push it out slightly. And you see, and clipped from there, and there you go. Just obviously unplug it now, and just squeeze them in. It's a bit tricky there. There you go, that's unplugged. Like I said, nice and easy job to do on this, guys. It's very similar on your footwell lights as well, that I'm going to be doing video on soon as well. So I'm just going to plug it back in and show you the difference now in the boot with this light. Right guys, as you can see, it's much better color. It's that cool white color. Obviously I've got all of my lights on the outside that color as well, and it's much brighter, as you can see. So it definitely improved it a lot. Like I said, I'm happy with the results. So don't forget, if that is something you're interested in, guys, I'm gonna have a link in the description below if you want to get one. And obviously, as you can see, it's very easy to install. Right guys, as you can see, nice and easy. It takes about a minute to replace it, and it definitely improved a lot, the light in there, and the color is much better as well. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, give us a like and subscribe. And like I said, the link for this light unit is going to be in the description below. And I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.